Hello, family. Welcome once again to Rebikit Food, a channel of delicacies, easy recipes. If you're new in this channel, please feel welcome. View my videos, press on to that notification bell, so switch it on so that whenever I post in a video, you'll be the first among the first people to watch. And for returning subscribers, thank you so much. And please don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebikit Foods, please don't skip the ads. Today I just have just a simple recipe here. I'm going to do some salads bite. Just a salad, but it's a bite. You can have it at any time or as an appetizer while you're eating. So please, let's get to the. So among the ingredients that I have my carrots here that I'm blending, and this is what is going to help us enjoy and make this recipe. So this is here. I have this. So this is a combination of lettuce and these are cabbages. So I have just a quarter cabbage and lettuce. When you mix them together, it gives a good blend. So I'll just finish cutting this. So this is how I did it. Make sure you slice it very tiny. So if you blend lettuce with cabbages, it come out with a very nice combination and very tasty and good. So these two are what I'm going to use to make this recipe. Then I have sugar here, I have black pepper, I have my eggs here, I have mayonnaise, so keep tuned. So I'll use this bowl and I'll start. So I make sure I mix this as I put it down. You remember cabbages were down, so I mix them. So when they're cabbages like this, I make sure I put some lettuce at the same time. Cabbages and lettuce, then cabbages. Then here I come with my carrots. So make sure you mix it well. Now I'm going to mix up everything together now. It's more or less like coleslaw, but now it's going to differ in a way that now the coleslaw we don't cook it, but for this one we are going to cook it. To see the way it will come out with a very nice, to be a very nice recipe. So make sure you do the mixing well so that it can blend well before you put any other ingredient. Next, guys, I'm going to add first I'm going to put some black pepper. I'll beat 1 or 2 eggs here. And I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll mix it. Once everything has mixed well, now this is the time now to put my mayonnaise. Make sure that the mayonnaise you put, makes it more compatible. Just mix gently and make sure every part of the salad gets mayonnaise in it. You can look and see. So this is part one of it. So the next step now, keep tuned. I've just lit my heat. I'll place the pan. I'm going to add some little oil. So I'll make sure it cooks well. Then now, so I'll have something like this. So I'll make a hole. So guys, you have to give it time so that it can cook well. Yes. It is done, and now I'm going to take it out. So guys, this is done. I'll keep it aside. Keep tuned still. After this now, this is how you turn it. So guys, make sure you press so that the yolk can cook. So I'll continue the same way. Then once you make a space here, you make sure that can let the egg cook. Then I will beat my eggs inside. Wow. So guys, these are my salad bites. This is how you make them. You can have them as an appetizer. You can have them when maybe you are partying, just as a bite. It is easy to make, just as I've told you, just as you've seen. Please watch this video until the end and give my video a like. Please comment and tell me what you think about my salad bite. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in another video, but let me just have a bite. As you see, try this recipe, guys. It's so nice, especially if you take them with these blueberries or grapes. You will really love it.